The myth about slow living. Slow living is about doing everything as slowly as possible. This is definitely one of the biggest misperceptions. Slow living is not about living your life in slow motion. It's about doing everything at the right speed and facing instead of rushing. Slow living isn't about losing time by going slowly. It's about gaining time by doing the things that are most important to you. Slow living is the same as simple living. I found that simple living is more focused on things, materialism, consumption, and slow living is more focused on time, energy, balance. Some of us choose to take the best of both worlds and live slowly and simply. Slow living is a look aesthetic. One of the big myths of slow living is that it's simply an achievable aesthetic of cozy, neutral tone home decor and clothing posted on Instagram with desaturated photo filters and tag slow living. Long story short, slow living isn't the stage perfect images you see on Instagram and Pinterest. Slow living is about doing and being less. I read an article where the author said she was giving up slow living because she was losing my identity. While slow living eliminates the non-essentials for your life, the intent is to free up time so you can be more. Slow living is anti-technology. Slow living isn't about traveling back in time. It's about using technology as a tool instead of technology using you. I certainly don't blame the technology. Gadgets are neutral. They're tools. And it's down to how we use them. I think it's about using technology to find the right tempo. I have an iPhone. I have wireless on my laptop. I use Twitter and Facebook. But I use all of that stuff with that I consider to be a slow spirit. I don't feel like I'm harassed by these gadgets or a slave to them. Slow living is living in a more balanced, meaningful, and life-affirming way. Slow living is a lifestyle choice. People every day are constantly living at a fast pace, which is making them feel like their lives are chaotic. But with slow living, they end up taking a step back and stay enjoying life, being conscious. Slow living is a lifestyle emphasizing slower approaches to aspects of everyday life, decelerating the pace of modern life. The slow living vision is of an earth where humankind, honoring and celebrating the profound connectedness of all people, places, and living beings. Give back by co-creating mutually supportive communities and economic systems, and where we combine the freedom of the past with a vision for the future to ensure a balanced, fulfilling way for all generations to come. Slow living is a connection with yourself, those around you, and the world.